Hello, good morning. This is another day. Well, today we'll have to go back through all the markets we talked about yesterday. And please, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like this video, and share it. And that for me to give me the zeal to make out more videos on this. So this is day two on your daily analysis. I'll be going back through all those charts I went to the day. So I'll be going back through all those charts. And today I'll be just taking my analysis basically from trading view. It's clearer, it's better. Though the other one is also clear, but I'll be taking my analysis from trading view. First of all, once we talked about US, I said yesterday that my bias is on that USD will be gaining momentum during this week. I am still on that. And the beauty of it is that these are beautiful periods, and these are times and sensitive times that you need to take cautious in the sense that opportunity that wants to come out in such scenario are opportunities that will give you 10 pips, 20. These are opportunities that will give you 100 and 200 and 300 pips. Note that. Very, very important. You could say it was forming lower, lower, but watch the leg of this. Sorry, doesn't. Okay, let me go back to my 4 hours. I like using 4 hours to do my analysis. So, okay, better. Let's watch this. Watch this. This was the previous look. I could not get there. And what happened again? This is USD JPY. This is a 4 hours time frame. It formed what? A double bottom. It has formed a double bottom, and we are expecting it, though the general trend, you can see my 200 moving average is on the downside. But what are we waiting for? We are waiting for this to break this retest, and we have a good opportunity to go in for a buy. So that's the analysis for USD JPY. It's that simple. It's just that simple. You will see the trend line, look at it, so you're waiting for it. So that's analysis for USD JPY. So these are things that once you catch it from this part, you catch it, put your stop loss. It gives you opportunity to know where you put your stop loss and have a piece of heart and allow the market to do its thing. It has to retest. Once it comes and retest, forms an engulfing candle, it moves up. Then you could enter and place your stop loss beneath it and good to go. It has already formed a double bottom, which is clear and evidence for all to see. It's clear and evidence for all to see. So we are in. Let's watch for the most trade that will first take its bull run is USD JPY. So let's go over to our other chart. Let's look at NZD USD. Let's look at NZD USD. Wow, that's it. As NZD USD, you could see yourself also the same formation. Well, like I said in yesterday's video, that the USD has been going through a trauma. Yeah, through a bloodshed for the past 2 weeks. So we could see what is happening also. These are the trend lines. So what are we expecting for a trend line to break? Once it's break, it hits. Do a retest. It's about to break the trend line. Do a retest. And you could go for it to 1 hour to check when the retests have taken place, and you go in for a massive sell on NZD USD. Like I told, this is it. So these are critical periods. That's why I said this period is 1 in a million. These are periods that you could catch nothing like less than 100 or 200 or 300 or 400, possible 400 pips. So this is it. We've gone on NZD USD. Let's look at another pair. Let's look at GBP USD. Like I said, GBP has been on a massive uptrend. It formed another high yesterday, came down. So we don't know. It's on a 12 months. It has accelerated. It has exceeded 12 months high. It's crazy. So we don't know if the for GBP USD will continue to this thing. But let's watch out. Ours is that we have our trend line, break our trend line, form a kind of a retest, come down, that we are in for a sell. They will know the bull run is over for GBP, and now the USD wants to take it. It's that simple. It's that simple. So that's GBP USD. Let's look at XAU USD. XAU USD, which is the gold, the almighty gold. My bias on gold has been on a sell. Even since yesterday, my bias on gold was on a sell. It could not break, it formed a double top. It has formed a double top, it could not break this level. What you were waiting for, a retest, from that, then we are in on gold, on sell for gold. You could see it yourself, it could not break this level. That's why I had to mark this level. You could see things for yourself. So we are in for a beautiful sell. Our bias on gold is for a sell. So let's watch how things play. I can pull my plays out. Sorry, I went to check something. So let's just imagine how things plays out on XAU USD. Remember bias, I have a sell bias on gold. So that's it. So these are, just know that most of this USD pairs, let's watch out for them. We've checked USD JPY, Euro USD, let's see, still the same. We could draw a trend line from here, because whenever I see GBP USD, you know they are correlative pairs and they act the same, virtually the same. Come in just a minute. One acts faster than one. You can see what is happening on gold. On Euro USD. I said one acts faster than one. Beautiful. Euro USD on the 4-hour time has broken the trend line. We are looking. Let's go to a 1 hour to see if there is a retest. I'm telling you, this is happening fast. You could see it went on from there. It could not break this high. And you see it has formed a double top and it has broken the trend line. So let's check out, let's watch, let's go for this. Let's look at this. We're waiting. We've had almost all the conditions fulfilled. So we are looking for a retest. So let's go to let's check our 1 hour time frame to see if we could see anything on gold. On Euro USD. See anything on Euro USD. Just a minute. Okay, sorry, my hand was just slippery. You could see massive. The drop is beginning. Can I get convinced and enter this market? No, I wouldn't still. I have to wait for that retest that I'm looking for. Wow, the break has happened in Euro USD. You could see things yourself. The break has happened in Euro USD. The break has happened in Euro USD. Wow, a strong. Let's see how this candle will close. Very important. I just don't rush into it. Wow, it has broken. So you could see if the same as this has happened, definitely that's going to be the fate of GBP USD, because those are correlative pairs. You could see what has happened in Euro USD. Simply means the USD is about gaining momentum, strong momentum. That's what it implies. Let's see how this 4 hours candle closes and see what's next. Wow, this is massive, massive, massive. That's a good one. And earlier on, I was talking about trading psychology. I said I was going to make the benefits of taking losses as regards trading psychology. Trading. A lot of us, these are personal opinions, and these are things that most traders will tell you, I'm right. Do blowing of accounts or taking losses in trading helps build your trading psychology? The answer is 100% yeah. If I've been in this business for a long time, and if you've been in this business for a long time and you've taken losses upon losses, you tend to understand that it's your heart becomes what is called, and something is called, whenever these losses come, it doesn't really pound your heart that much. Okay, like an absorber, you absorb it, and you tend to be very, very careful. That's why it's always good to predetermine your risk. That's why it's not good to over leverage. So, but once this losses comes, it kind of strengthens your emotions. But whenever you take your first loss or your second loss, your heart palpitates. You think and you have sleepless nights. But if you could come out from that situation and bounce back to trading and still go into the trading, you then tend to understand that you have a stability when it comes to your emotion, when it comes to trading. You don't longer fidget. Oh, I'm going to take this trade. If the market goes in my favor, I'm going to make this. If the market goes against me, I'm going to lose this. Am I comfortable with the loss? Yes, I'm comfortable with the loss. You now predetermine your risk. You know how much you tend to be more stable psychologically than when you've not than a new trader, someone that's coming to the market that have not taken losses. But that is the benefit of when you've taken losses, how it affects your trading psychology. Ask any trader. These are things that you don't read in books. These are personal experiences. Personal experiences that you will have as a trader. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Like I said, I'm just back new into the YouTube. Please subscribe. Please turn off the bell notification, and also share this video and like this video, please, so I can have this thing to create new content. And also drop a comment below and say if I'm true about this, if you had such personal experiences also as regards how losses has bettered your trading psychology. Please comment down in this comment down, make a comment in the section below, please. Very important. And also, like I told you on all the trades I've showed you, it's important that we know and we are in very critical times now, in the sense of how to hit it hard, when to enter. This market has broken, we could see, but we've not seen a retest. I like break and retest. I don't want just to jump into the market. Some people with huge capital could place it on top of here and jump into the market, but I don't do that. I want to see the retest. I want to see how this 4 hours candle closes. Then once I go, then I know I can go in for a massive sell, and I'm going to hold it for as long as possible. So as I was saying, how your trading psychology tends to affect, how it tends to beautify your trading, how losses tend to affect your trading psychology on the positive aspect of it. So that's a video for now. I believe you had good analysis on the chart, and also you've learned something. Please subscribe, please turn on the bell notification, and please like the video. Thank you and God bless. It's your boy one and only Devo Papa signing out.